Hi folks, my name is Aakash. In this particular video, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this particular video, we will be going to see another problem statement which is there in the hacker rank, that is compare triplets basically. So compare triplets. So you have to understand like there is a three numbers basically. Okay, understand like that. Triplet means in the pairs basically. Okay, so what this particular problem is all about talking basically that Alice and Bob is a created a one problem for hacker rank. A reviewer rates the two in challenges, right? So uh, awarding points on a scale from 1 to 100 for three categories, like they have three kind of a problems. So before going to understand what is a problem, I will be giving you a disclaimer. In this particular video we will be understanding the problem statement, okay, number one. Number two, you will be understanding what's the problem statement is talking about, and with an example, what is the particular problem statements, what is an input format, what is the constraints, and what is the set of the inputs you have to take, and what how you have to write the function, and how you can understand this problem statement, how you can pass the test cases, and all the stuffs we will be going to discuss in this particular video. Okay, all right. Then we will be get back to the problem statement. What the problem statement is talking about, we will be understanding the problem statement first. Alice and Bob each created one problem for hacker rank. Reviewer rates the two challenges, awarding the points on a scale from 1 to 100 for three categories: originality, and difficulty. Okay. Rating for Alice challenge is the triplet, like A of 0, A of 1, and A of 2. The rating for Bob's challenge is triplet B equal to B minus B of 0, B of 1, B of 2. Okay. Alice and Bob, like that, they have told. The task is to find their comparison, the points by comparing A of 0 with B of 0. Okay. So A of 1 and with B of 1, A of 2 with the B of 2. Okay, if A of 1 is greater than B of 1, Alice is rewarded by 1 point. Okay, if A of 1 is less than B of 1, then Bob is rewarded by 1 point. Okay, A of I equal to B of I, then neither will receive the point. Okay, if it is the equal points if they have, so we have to just neglect it. Okay, compare points, the total points of a person earned, and given A and B determine the respective comparison points. This is straightforward, folks. Okay, so there is a two-person, Alice and Bob. They have given the hackathon challenge. If this person will do the solution in the given time, then they will be he will be rewarding. If the point is greater than this person, he will be going to reward. Bob will get the challenge. Okay, so here example they have given, so just do check this out. Okay, so star 000, everything is the same, folks. Okay, so what we have to take is compare triplet, we have to function we have to take, and is like this explanation they have given. Okay, everything sort of the things is same. Constraint, check it here. What is the constraint here? A of I 1 to 100, B of I 1 to 100. Okay, the numbers will which will be ranging basically. So we'll straightforwardly move towards the problem statement first now. And we understood what's a function we have to do, what we'll be going to do, what will be the parameter, everything, right? Sort of the things you understood. So we have taken C. I will explain you what the things you have to do. Okay, so you will get the clarity how you can approach this problem and all stuffs. Okay, it's it's very clear. Okay, so what I will do, A is nothing but alias score, right? So what we'll be going to do, we will be going to create one variable alias underscore score, which is equal to 0. Okay, initial Bob score is also 0, right? So we will be going to write Bob score, which is equal to 0. It's so simple, right, folks? Right? So these are the two things we understood here, basically. So first of all, it will be Ali's score equal to 0, Bob score equal to 0. So what we'll be going to write for I in range of 3. Okay. 0 means 0, 1, 2 means how much? 3, right? So we will be going to check with initial index, right? If a of I is greater than b of I, then what it will be going to reward? Ali's score will be incremented by 1, right? Same process, right? If it elif elif a of I is less than b of I, then Bob score will be incremented by 1, right? So this is a particular condition you have to check it here, right? So this is done, right? After that, what we have to return? We have to return in the list Ali score and Bob score. Okay, what is a Ali score and what is a Bob score? Okay, this is done. This function we completed, right? So here what we are taking, one is the A input, B input, and we are just printing the result. We'll just check the code. Just understand. I have not written anything, folks, here. I just understood the problem statement, what they are telling about. The same thing I'm just replicating into the code basically. See here. Okay, if I'm just running the code, right? Sample test case, both the test case passed, right? 5, 5. It got incremented, right? And 6, 6. No points here. 7, 10. So the Bob got 10 points rewarded by 1 point. Okay. So this is a particular thing you have to understand. Okay. This is so simple, right? So you will just submit the code, all the test case will be going to pass. This is a sort of the things, folks. That's it about this video about the comparing the triplets. In the next video, we will be going to discuss about the another problem statement. I hope you understood, you got the clarity how you can solve this particular problem, how you will be approaching everything sort of stuffs is clear. I hope. I hope you clear what is a problem, submission, leaderboard, everything sort of the things we have discussed in the previous video, folks. So I hope that will help you out with the sort of a things here. Okay, all right. So that's it about this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, folks. You are watching the video, but you are not subscribing to my channel. Make sure hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure that share this particular to needy ones, guys. Okay, so that they will understand how to approach the problem, explain them this is a particular channel who is explaining about the hacker rank, how we can approach the problem, what sort of the things has to be done. Okay, all right. So like till then, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned to my channel, so you'll get regular updates, content like this basically. Let me know in comment down below which kind of a topics do you want. Do you like this kind of a problem statement to be discussed each and every week, or like two problems a week, or in regular in every day you wanted the particular problem statement to be discussed? Let me know in comment down below, folks, so we I can discuss and make a recording for that, and you will be understanding how to approach the problem as well. That's it about this video, folks. I hope you understood the what how to approach the problem, what is a triplet concept is about, how you can break down the problem basically. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. I hope you enjoy the video. Keep exploring, keep the things, and keep consistency maintained to solve this DSA problems, folks. Consistency is the key, folks.